In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete your Clue account, working 2026. By the end, you'll know exactly where the delete option lives in the Clue app, what confirmations to expect, and a few important things to keep in mind before you proceed. Before we start, remember that deleting your account is permanent. If you'd like a record of your cycles or notes, consider exporting or saving that information first. Also, removing a Clue account does not automatically cancel a subscription you may have through the Apple App Store or Google Play, so double check your App Store settings if you're subscribed. Open the Clue app and make sure you're on your main cycle screen. That's the home view where you usually log your information. You'll find the menu you need in the top right corner. Tap the More menu, which looks like an equal sign or three horizontal lines in the top right. This opens a panel with the various options related to your account and app help. From that menu, choose Support. This is where Clue organizes help articles and account-related guidance. We're heading here because the delete option is accessed through a support article rather than a visible button in settings. Inside support, select Account Questions. This section gathers topics specifically about your Clue account, including login, passwords, and deletion. Scroll down the account questions list and tap the article titled, "How do I delete my account?" The actual delete action is linked from this help page, so opening it is the key step to reach the final confirmation screen. You'll now be prompted to enter your password. Type your current Clue account password carefully to confirm ownership. If you don't remember it, use the password reset flow first, then return to this screen. When you're ready, tap Delete Account. You may see a final confirmation message. Approve it to proceed. After you confirm, your account will be permanently deleted. You'll be signed out, and your associated account data will begin the removal process according to Clue's policies. Deletions are final and can't be undone, so make sure you truly want to proceed before confirming. If you can't find the delete article, make sure your app is updated to the latest version and that you have a stable internet connection. Also ensure you're signed in to the correct account you intend to delete. Quick recap. Open Clue, tap the top right More menu, go to Support, select Account Questions, open How do I delete my account, enter your password, and tap Delete Account. Pause the video if you need to follow along step by step. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you complete the process with confidence.